Eye to eye, a Spud's life. With an eye in each cut section, we plant them eyes up, watering and waiting, watching for those eyes to sprout and push through the soil, watching and waiting for the harvest. Working with Dad as his pitchfork turns over each hill, Johnny and I dig out the tubers, wiping dirt from each one and filling bushel baskets to store in the cellar for future family dinners, mashed, baked, or fried, wondering worriedly if the stash would last through the winter, with enough eyes saved to plant next year's crop.